Hi, I'm Mike from Poison Control. Spring is finally here. And much like the temperatures change when the seasons change, the types of poisonings we see also ramp up with each different season. So I'm going to have some poison prevention tips for you for spring today, and I'm going to start with spring cleaning. You know, one of the things is you want to grab out all the products and get to work. And one of the things we want to remind people, don't leave products in areas where children can get to them. Children like to mimic what we do as adults, so many times they'll take these products, try to clean, they can get it in their eyes, their mouth, and that'll have you have to make a quick call to the Poison Helpline, 1-800-222-1222. The other thing when you are cleaning is to make sure that you don't take a product that has bleach and mix it with other chemicals. As a matter of fact, don't mix cleaning products. Look at the directions, but when you mix bleach and ammonia, bleach and vinegar, you can create a deadly poison gas. It's also important if you're in a small space like this, make sure that you leave that door open so you're in a well-ventilated area. Enjoy spring and tune in for our next tip soon. And if you need us, please reach out to the Poison Helpline, 1-800-222-1222 for emergencies. And you can just call us for information. We'll take your questions. Bye for now.